I got it.
You already got everything.
Huh?
You already got everything.
Yes, Mommy, because I'm large and in charge. Or
Larger than Mars.
tiny and mighty. Like you, right? Aren't you little and strong?
Yeah. I do boy push-ups.
Yeah, boy push-ups. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another yummy video. Wherever you guys are out there in the world, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be making a crescent roll ring, and it's going to be a buffalo chicken style ring. And I love making these because you can take these to like any event, and people always think that it was so like tedious to make and they're so hard to make and you put so much time and effort into them, when in reality they're super duper easy to make. I actually made one of these for my holiday Christmas cookbook, which was awesome. By the way, I wanted to announce to you guys that I am currently working on the second cookbook or ebook, and that should be out sometime at the end of spring or beginning of September of summer. So if you guys want to know exactly when, follow me on Instagram at Veggie Rose, so that you guys can be like up to date. As soon as I know, you guys will know on there. So let's get veggie. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is 2 cups of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, and I just threw these into the food processor and posted them a couple times until they became like really kind of like a minced almost. And I'm gonna be adding in a cup of vegan mayo.
Can I just...
Sure. Go ahead. Yum. And then I'm gonna add half a cup of buffalo wing sauce. There you go. Good job.
Now I'm going to pour that in there.
All right. And next, Mia is gonna add in this. Here we have a half a cup of onion. I have white onion. You can use any onion you prefer. And then we also have 1 stalk of celery chopped up. Go ahead, pour it in.
This is spicy.
Look, you do it like this, baby. Like
no,
this.
let me do it
like that, and just go like that. Messy, 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 right?
Yeah, messy.
All right. And we mix all this up until everything is mixed up together really well. And it looks super saturated in all of the sauce. And that's how you want it, because some of it will soak into the actual crescent rolls. Sure, go ahead. Into the crescent roll dough, and then some of it will kind of just like dry up. So you want it to be really nice and, I don't want to say the M word, but really moist. Yeah, I said it. So I added about a teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder. No, that's it. There's no more.
No.
And mix it all up. That's it. I don't even know why I opened up 2. I'm only going to be using 1 of these crescent rolls. And no, this video is not sponsored. However, Pillsbury, if you're watching, hit a girl up.
You're only going to use 1?
And I know someone's bound to ask if these are vegan. And yes, these are accidentally vegan. They're vegan friendly. There's no dairy, none of that stuff in here.
They just look so cute. I just want one.
No animal shortening.
I just want a piece.
And all I'm doing is lining up these little crescent roll doughs, which are already cut into like these little triangles. I'm lining them up side by side. And then we're gonna create like a circle in the middle.
Yeah, see. It looks like more like a star.
There we go.
It looks like
yeah, it is like a star.
It is.
So you want it to be like a star kind of thing. And then we're gonna add in our filling right on the edge here. It's bound to spill out some. Don't worry, it's okay.
Is it spicy?
Yep.
Aw, but I wanted that.
it's not that spicy. It's really not. And we're just filling right up to the edge. Like that. You don't want to go too far out because then you won't be able to roll the crescent.
Yeah. It's not crescent, it's a star.
Alright. You won't be able to roll the star.
Yeah.
Alright. I might have made a little extra. But what we're doing now is just tucking our little tips like this, tucking them over onto himself. And you can either leave it kind of like that or try to tuck it underneath. I don't really care. I just leave it like that. Doesn't have to be too pretty. It's gonna be eaten, not a big deal. Doesn't have to look super fancy.
Why are you even using 2 anyways for?
I don't know why I opened 2. That's why
maybe
I didn't mean to open up 2. All the way around. Now we're gonna place this into the oven according to the directions on the actual crescent roll. 375 degrees for about 13 minutes, I want to say. So 9 to 12 minutes until everything is nice and golden brown. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's time for the taste test cam. Mia is going in. Look how cute it looks. It's like a little sandwich. It's a little spicy, so I don't know if she's gonna like it too much. What do you think?
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
Now open them.
It's good? You want some more? Careful, it's messy. So, there you have it. Mia thinks it's good, which is a good thing because this is like the mild spicy one. I sprinkled on a little bit of parsley over the top just to make it look pretty. And that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram using the hashtag Veggie Fam if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes. I would love to see what you made, and I would love to know what you think about it. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.
Don't forget to like the video.